Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can do this Pop AI filter trend on TikTok. Okay, so if you're looking for the filter here in TikTok, you will not get the effect here in TikTok because this effect is from CapCut. So what you have to do, just go to App Store or Play Store and download this app CapCut. And once you have this app, what you can do, go to my profile. Okay, on my profile, you will see a playlist named CapCut template. Okay, in the playlist, go to the first video. This is the video. Here on the bottom left corner of the screen, you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. Try this template. Okay, you will be directed to this page. Now tap on use template in CapCut. Okay, you will be directed to CapCut. Wait for it. Okay, this is the template. Tap on use AI template at the bottom of the screen. Now you need to browse the picture from your camera roll. Okay, let me go with this one. Hit next. Wait for it. Okay, and done. Now you can tap on export and you can share it to your TikTok. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can do this trend on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you on the next video.